How do you standardize tactical comms protocols? Imagine trying to coordinate a team where everyone speaks a different language. That's what happens without standardized communication protocols in tactical operations. Standardizing tactical communications protocols means creating a common set of rules, message formats, and interfaces that all units follow. This makes sure everyone can understand each other, no matter what equipment they use. The first step is to identify what communication services are needed. This includes voice calls, data sharing, and command messages. You also set performance goals like how fast messages should get through and how secure they need to be. Next, you break down the entire communication system into parts like wide area networks, local area networks, and mobile units. You define how these parts connect and interact so that each piece can work smoothly with the others. Then, you look at existing standards from civilian and military sources. You adapt these standards or create new ones if needed. This involves setting up protocol stacks that handle routing, call handling, and security for each connection point. Standard message formats are also key. You might use tactical data links or variable message formats so that messages sent from one device can be correctly understood by another. Dedicated teams manage these standards to keep everything consistent. Security is a big concern. You establish encryption standards that balance security with ease of access for coalition partners. For example, secure but unclassified networks use commercial encryption so allies can join without needing high-grade military encryption. Designing with open architecture and modular systems allows quick upgrades and new technology integration. This makes your communication setup adaptable to changing tactical needs. Testing interoperability is essential. You use protocols like the standard interface for multiple platform link evaluation to run simulations and live exercises. This confirms all systems can communicate effectively in real-world scenarios. Protocols and waveforms are reviewed regularly. This keeps your communication systems up to date with new tech, operational lessons, and emerging threats. In practical terms, this means using standardized radio procedures and clear, brief communication words. You can also use gateways that translate data between different networks and classification levels. Combining line-of-sight radios with satellite links and relay drones under a unified protocol helps keep everyone connected. Using commercial encryption standards for lower-tier networks helps with interoperability during joint or coalition missions. Understanding and applying these standardization principles means choosing the right gear, configuring it properly, and making sure it works together. This guarantees your communication systems are reliable, compatible, and ready for any mission.